What's happening, my people? So, Monday, another shoe unboxing. So, jump right into it. I think these right here, this is going to be mixed reviews on this one. This isn't a shoe I'm really crazy about. I'm not really crazy about well, you know what it is in the title. I'm not crazy about Air Force Ones. I'm not crazy about Travis Scott. I know that's blasphemous to say. You don't like Travis Scott? Not overly crazy about it, but bringing this to you. So this right here is the shoe that he threw into this crowd. And so this is I'm not saying this is how the box is gonna look whenever these drop, but this is like a little early sneak peek of them. So I know I'm gonna get hate on this one, but this is the one that he threw into the crowd, and then homeboy, they end up, somebody offered him $250K for him, and nah, I'ma hold it down for Travis. Man, fuck Travis. I'd have sold them bitches so quick. Shit. But showing, I'm just reporting the news, man. I'm reporting what these look like and stuff, and how these coming. These come from uashoes.com or whatever. They sent me these. So y'all get that hate out your heart, because y'all be talking ish in the comment section. But that's how that paper looking. It looks like a salmon type color paper. Got Cactus Jack and Air Force One and stuff on there. So showing you what these looking like. And let me see if these change my mind. If these change my mind looking at them in hand and stuff. So at first I seen these, I didn't know what the hell these were. But then I was like, oh, so they Cactus Jack and stuff. So this is what these looking like. So both shoes, this one right here, comes with extra pair of laces, look like a navy blue. But you check that out. But I'm gonna grab this shoe right here, grab the right one, and see the little details of the shoe. Try to give you like 360 looking stuff. See all the little splendor. And material wise, be kind of neat. Like all the different materials on here. Let me see where I'm gonna start off at. On the inside, they have this check, and this check is like a camo. Got a camo check right here. Shit, on this side, you got like a tan check on that side. And what material? It's like a jean type material or something. They got, that's some nice leather. Oh, hey, that's some nice leather on that front toe. That leather is soft. That's shiny bad boy leather right there. That's a nice leather. I give it that. She got a corduroy type look right there. Got like corduroy. Got a dark blue. Then it moves in. You know, like a greenish color. They got some insignia and stuff. It just switches up. It switches up. It moves on. They got some yellow right here. In the back, they have like this tab. Let me see how this is. It have like a button right there. Let me see if that's how this is. It's a button like that. Try to let you see good. So it's just a pop button or whatever. I wasn't sure if it was like you know how your button in your pants is. I wasn't sure if it was like that or whatever. So it comes. They got this color right here. Then it moves on, have like a mustard type color right there with some insignia on there, some graffiti type stuff. Then it has a purplish, and then a blue, and one. This right here is like a suede, like a plush suede. That's nice. It's a nice suede. Let me see if it got that booty backstroke on there. Got a little bit. You probably can't tell too much. Well, look, you can go up and down. It does it well. Got that booty backstroke. The midsole, plain white, Air Force One midsole all the way around. Comes with Nike shoe tree. Nike shoe tree up in the inside. Something that y'all probably want to see the most on the shoe is this lace system. That is the biggest popping thing on this shoe, is that lacing system. So it has this zipper, and you open it up and you get inside the laces, and this look like, I don't know if this is like a brownish or these laces are like either brownish or like a dark some kind of purple. It's in between like a brown and a purple. That's what it looked like to me. But you see that, I'm trying to see where the laces, I don't see where the end of the laces are. Are they in the inside of the shoe? Yeah, they in the inside of the shoe for you to be able to tie them and stuff. So you go like that. I'm trying to see. I wonder if you can take this off. I think you can. The way this looks, I think you probably can take this off. Yeah, because the laces go through here. The laces go through here and it's not really attached to anything. So I think if you undid the laces and you want to just take this thing off, you could. So that might look better. But I'm not gonna mess with all that. Got the Nike Air in the inside. Gum bottom on these tings. And I'm trying to see if both shoes are pretty much the same. Got the same little things on each shoe. Like you see the different colors, like they got their purple in the same spot. Got this right here. So it's pretty much the same. You see that? Material wise, I enjoyed them material wise. Like every material that they have is pretty plush. I didn't mention this. Got the Nike Air embossed in the back, with sewn in the back. And this right here is like a fleece material in the back. So that's pretty nice, man. See what the sizing tag and stuff, what that's looking like. Try to go over as many details as possible. If that even the sizing tag. The sizing tag is right here. The sizing tag is in the inside right here, but there is something behind the tongue, and that's Nike in the swoosh name and stripe or trademarks, and your guarantee of quality swoosh, Nike little swoosh or da. So it's nothing too crazy right there. Try to see. Let me see on the top. Nike Air Force One. So trying to give you as many details as possible. So I'm gonna put these on foot, man. I'm a little older. Like, I don't know how I would try to style these right here. Oh, and then I noticed they got different parts on the blue. This is like a plain like cloth material, and this is more like it feels like a plain cloth, but it looks like a kind of corduroyish. So it's two different materials on this upper zipper thing. But enough talking. You've seen the shoes. Hopefully I've showed you everything you need to see, and I'm gonna put these on feet, man, for you to see what these are looking like. And I'm expecting some hate in the comment section, and cause y'all been going off lately, man. I don't know if it's necessarily subscribers, man. Just random people become, man, them shoes, that's some bullshit, man. Fuck you. Okay, brother. But doing on feet, man. Wrap this video up, man. I'll let you. so that's the shoe. So hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Is this something that y'all gonna be trying to hit on whenever they drop? Do you think the hype gonna be crazy on these? Resale price, what y'all think the resale price gonna be on here? Y'all thoughts, man. Y'all drop that in the comment section. Look in the description, and I'll show you where these come from and whatever. Cause I'm not faking or fronting on this channel or anything. I got about 50, 60, 70 unboxes and stuff, man. And everything I get, I tell y'all where it come from. It come from Nike, McCary, eBay, Foot Action, whatever. So if some come, I'm just reporting. And if somebody gonna send me a shooter review, shit, I'm gonna do it. Cause I know y'all gonna watch this. Y'all gonna watch this more than the shoe that I just paid $200 for. If I didn't buy it the first day it came out and stuff. So I just, anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Computer Grades are the most hated, man. Peace out.